DJT stock analysis. Is it a buy or not? Let's see where is Trump media and technology stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Sitting at $23.06, like 2% down for the day. This is like a still like a melting stock. You can see the consistency here and how much it has been kind of going down. And I get it, you know, but then zooming out, we're gonna see, okay, my bad. Let's go to DJT. Still, I'm keeping an eye on this because we're not that far away from even just shifting to the bullish market. But that's like the only case in which I look for something like this, you know, instead of assuming right now I'm going to react, I'm not going to assume. So only if the price starts breaking above that zone, only then I'll be bullish. If the price does not start breaking above it, then I'm not going to be bullish, you know. So right now for me, just a waiting period and a waiting stage. So all I can do is exactly that. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.